So I'm a beginner to going on track. I have less than 10 HPDE events. I went for the first time this year, and it's now September 2025, and I went off-road. And I want to try to understand why that happened. Now with the 10 Hz GPS, the Apex Pro app, I think I can understand, and let's study this. Lap 8 on bottom, lap 9 on top. So on Sunday at the Poconos, they combined the run group. So this is the green and the blue group, and I'm driving solo. And on lap 8 and 9, you can compare the two. So 8 is on the bottom, lap 9 is on the top, and lap 9, I'm trying to take more speed into one of the high-speed turns, and I go 4 off. And let's just see what happens. Now here I'm just in the Infield S's, and so I'm just trying to make my way through this, and you can see I'm actually pretty consistent. Coming off the infield into the NASCAR part, it's not very easy. You're going 30 miles an hour. It's a little bit unsettling. Now note here that I'm giving a point buy to this white Porsche, and so I'm going to have to adjust the timing. The penalty for giving that point buy was 2 seconds. They synchronized the video at this Poconos sign on the left. I brake harder in lap 8. I didn't brake hard enough. You can see here as I cross into the infield, I'm 62 miles per hour in lap 8, but 74 miles per hour here. And let's see the consequences. Let's see that again. So I was probably trying to get faster and trying to chase that Porsche, and I didn't slow down enough, and 12 miles per hour faster, 74, and that forces me to go off. In addition to coming in too fast, what about my turn-in? So this is where the Apex Pro 10 Hz GPS with the app is so useful, and I really want to thank Andrew Rains and his group for creating this device and now app. And what you can see in this review of my data, I think I'm turning in too early. Now at 10 Hz GPS, they say the accuracy is about 1 meter. So if you look at the red, that's my lap 8, and there I'm turning in a little bit later than turn 9. Turn 9, even though I'm carrying more speed, I turn in earlier, and I think that leads to going off track. Now when I went off, I knew what happened. I misapplied the brakes. So let's look at brake pressure. The Apex Pro has an OBD2 streamer, so I was able to look at my RPMs and my throttle pressure, but unfortunately brake pressure is not encoded in OBD2. So I'm just using the GPS to infer my brake pressure. So in lap 8, I applied the brake pressure firmly, and then I released it slowly, and then I turned in. I am trying to learn how to trail brake, but I'm still not good at it. So in lap 9, I applied the brake, but I came off early trying to carry more speed. And then as I came into the turn, I realized I have too much speed. I'm carrying too much speed. So I applied it again. That pulse of the brake probably upset the car. I turned in early. That led to my going off. So in summary, telemetry data is really fascinating. I'm a beginner. I started tracking this year using the Apex Pro and a 10 Hz GPS with an app, and now several days later I can study what I did. I clearly was too fast. In addition, I probably turned in just a little bit earlier than I normally do, and the reason I came in too fast is because I came off the brake and then pulsed it in order to try to get down to the speed that I'm comfortable with, and that was a mistake. Apply the brake hard, hold on to it, and then trail brake, and I still need to learn trail braking. So in any case, I think this has been really fun. Learning how to go on track with HPDE, with RTR-PCA, and HOD has been really, really wonderful. I love the group of people that I've been able to spend time with. All right.